Hi everyone, good day. In this video, I'll be teaching you how to save archive stories on Facebook. Okay, first things first. So, what you want to do to proceed is to open up your Facebook app. Basically, how this works is when your story on Facebook has expired. You can come back again and save the story. So in this video, I will be teaching you just that. What you have to do now that you are in Facebook is head to your menu. It can be on the top right or the bottom right depending on what device you are using, if it is an Apple or an Android. Now, what you have to do is to look for the activity log. So, what you want to do is to head to your settings and privacy right here. Then, press settings once more. In here, you will have to look for your activity and scroll down until you find your activity log. Okay, now that you are in your activity log, what you are going to do from here is to press Archive. Now, as you can see, you have an option that says Story Archive. What you want to do is to press that option. And now, you can now view all of these stories that you have posted before. From here, you can now save which story you want to save. Anyways, if you like content like this, don't forget to subscribe to this channel or comment down below any tutorials you want us to make, so we can help you. And that's it. You can now save archive stories on Facebook. Thanks for watching and happy scrolling.